Hi folks, welcome back. Just a little bit of a catch-up video to see where we're at the moment. So no, we didn't do a video last week. There was this little storm thing running around, made a bit of a mess and had everyone in a panic, tucking stuff away so it didn't get blown away. And this week we've spent cleaning up after said storm. So we didn't really get a hell of a lot compared to what guys on the Gold Coast and up the North Coast got. We did get a bit of rain, no wind at all. Slight wind, I suppose. A couple of gums snapped some branches off, but nothing near the house. But yard was just boggy as. So we've managed to get the lawn cut and everything to get the water to run away. So hopefully by next weekend, over here, where Dylan's car's got to get out of, will be dry enough that we can drive it out and it won't bog. I'll just show you. That's where we've got Dylan's car sitting in there. And that spot there is always really mushy when there's rain. Top half of the yard doesn't do too bad, and it's dried out through the middle out there, so it's all okay. But this holds water, and it's not doing too bad. We got through it with the mower and it's looking okay. So hopefully by next weekend, with no more rain, we can get the XK out of there and give us some room to work, because besides cleaning up and getting everything tidied away after being on generator power for a week, we then had everything crammed in here so we could have it locked away and not blowing around the yard if the wind did turn up. So down here, there's not really enough room to swing a cat, let alone do any kind of work on any body panels. So yeah, so we've got on top of the yard, everything's cleaned up and everything's put away, generators are away and that, because we're all on power again. And hopefully this time next week, if the weather holds out like this, we'll get around to getting some paint on those inside door frames like we were saying. So again, sorry for no videos, but not really a lot of area where we could actually do anything. Not that we had bad weather here, there was just nowhere to physically work that wasn't soggy and muddy. So, all right, till next time, see you later. Have a good week. Bye.